Buckle up, plant lovers! Today we're about to sprinkle a little magic and maybe a dash of dirt into your home with the wonders of indoor herb gardening. Get ready to turn your living room into a 5-star herb buffet with these 7 superstar herbs you can grow right inside, no backyard required. If you've ever thought gardening was only for people with magical powers, or at least a mysterious green thumb, I'm here to tell you, forget the magic wands and wizard hats. With these 7 herbs, even if your last plant was a cactus and it ran away, you can totally do this. Seriously, you've got this. No cape required. Let's dig in, pun absolutely intended, and kick off this epic green adventure. Kicking things off with a true superstar, basil, the Beyoncé of the herb world, and honestly my kitchen's MVP. This leafy legend absolutely adores sunlight, so park it in your sunniest window and watch it soak up those rays like it's on vacation. Give it a drink when the soil feels dry. No need to drown it. Soon you'll be tossing fresh basil into your pasta like a pro chef. Basil is basically a sun worshiper. It needs at least 6 hours of glorious sunshine a day to keep its crown. If your home is more cozy cave than sun palace, don't worry, a grow light is like a spa day for your basil. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Basil likes a nice balance. Think moist brownie, not mud pie. Pro tip, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time for a little hydration station. Basil is a bit picky about its bed. Treat it to a well-draining, high-quality potting mix. And don't stop at just one kind. There's Genovese, Thai, and lemon basil, each with its own personality. It's like a basil family reunion. Snipping basil isn't just fun. It actually makes your plant bushier and more generous with those tasty leaves. Just snip above a set of leaves, and your basil will thank you by growing even more. Fresh basil is a game changer. Think caprese salad, homemade pesto, or pizza that'll make your friends jealous. You can start basil from seed or grab a starter plant. Either way, it's almost too easy. Growing basil indoors is like inviting a little sunshine and a whole lot of flavor into your home. Enjoy those fresh, fragrant leaves. Your kitchen will smell like a countryside getaway. Ready for the next herb? Let's keep this flavor train rolling. Up next, meet the life of the indoor herb party, mint. With a scent fresher than your morning breath, mint is the overachiever of the herb world. It'll take over your windowsill if you let it. Keep this party animal in its own pot and snip away for mojitos, teas, or whenever you need a flavor boost. Mint is unstoppable, vigorous, and ready for action in your kitchen. It loves to stretch its roots, so trust me, give it its own space or risk a mint takeover. Mint enjoys basking in the sun, but it's cool with a bit of shade too. Talk about easy going. Watering mint? Easy. Just keep the soil moist, not swampy. No one likes soggy feet, not even mint. And the mint family reunion? Peppermint, spearmint, chocolate mint, each one cooler than the last. Snip mint often and it'll reward you with even more growth. Mint loves attention. Fresh mint tea, classic, mojitos and mint juleps, absolutely essential for any home happy hour. Chopped mint jazzes up fruit salads, yogurt, or even your fanciest savory dishes. Mint likes a bit of humidity. Think spa day, especially when winter air gets dry. Give it a mist or set it on a pebble tray with water. Mint loves a little pampering. Growing mint indoors means instant freshness at your fingertips. No need to run to the store. Ready for more? Let's see which herb is next on our superstar lineup. Meet parsley, the herb that's tired of being just a pretty face on your plate. This leafy superstar loves cooler digs, so if your home feels like a penguin's paradise, parsley will thrive and thank you for it. Parsley packs a punch with its bright, fresh, almost peppery zing. Think of it as the life of the dinner party. Give it a spot with morning sun and a little afternoon shade. Parsley likes to sunbathe but not get a sunburn. Keep its soil evenly moist. Parsley isn't a fan of droughts or swimming pools. There are 2 main types, curly parsley, the frilly show-off, and flat-leaf parsley, the bold Italian cousin. Curly parsley is all about looks, while flat-leaf parsley brings the flavor fireworks. Treat it to a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Parsley likes its roots comfy, not soggy. When it's time to harvest, snip those outer stems near the base. Parsley loves a good trim. Regular harvesting keeps parsley growing strong and ready for action. Toss chopped parsley into sauces, soups, and stews for an instant flavor upgrade. It's a game changer in salads, dressings, and marinades. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Growing from seed takes patience, so grab young plants from the nursery if you want parsley in a hurry. Having fresh parsley on hand will totally level up your cooking game. Ready for the next herb superstar? Let's keep the flavor party going. Love salads? Craving that oniony zing without the tears? Meet your new BFF, chives. These little green heroes are always ready to party on your plate. They're the definition of low maintenance. Just give them a snip when you need a flavor boost, and they'll bounce right back for more. Chives are the chill cousins in the onion family, bringing a gentle, delicate flavor. No drama, just deliciousness. All they ask for is a sunny spot, 4 to 6 hours of sunlight a day, and they're living their best life. Watering? Easy. Just keep their soil moist and they'll stay perky. Chives grow in stylish clumps of slender hollow stalks, basically the runway models of the herb world. Snip them near the base to harvest, and you'll encourage a fresh green encore. There are 2 chive celebrities, common chives and garlic chives. Both are fabulous. Common chives rock hollow leaves and show off with pretty purple flowers. Garlic chives, flat leaves and a gentle garlic flavor, perfect for the garlic curious. Soil snobs? Not these guys. Any well-draining potting mix will do just fine. Chopped chives are magic on scrambled eggs, salads, and soups. Sprinkle generously. And if your chives bloom, those blossoms are edible too. Toss them in a salad for instant gourmet vibes. Grow chives indoors and you'll always have a fresh, delicate allium flavor at your fingertips. No tears, just cheers. Introducing the superstar of the herb world, thyme. This little plant is tougher than your grandma's cast iron skillet. Forget to water it? No problem. Thyme is basically the camel of the herb family, perfect for those of us with a memory like a sieve. All it asks for is sunshine, at least 6 hours of it. Think of it as your sun-loving friend who never skips a beach day. Give it strong light and soil that drains faster than your morning coffee. Thyme will be living its best life. This herb is drought-tolerant and actually prefers its soil to dry out completely between waterings. Hydration? Overrated. A sandy, well-draining mix is thyme's idea of a 5-star resort. And the variety. English, French, lemon thyme, there's a thyme for every occasion and every pun. Snip the top few inches and watch it get bushier, like giving your herb a stylish haircut. Thyme is a French cuisine MVP, and it's best friends with roasted meats and veggies. Sprinkle fresh leaves on your food, or let them infuse oil for a flavor bomb. If it starts getting woody, just give it a trim. Think of it as a spa day for your thyme. Got a thyme that's more stick than sprig? Propagate a new one from cuttings. Easy peasy. An indoor thyme plant will keep your dishes delicious and your kitchen looking sharp for ages. Ready for the next herb adventure? Let's roll. Thyme truly brings rustic charm and a dash of sass to your kitchen. Up next, meet rosemary, the diva of the herb world. This fragrant superstar adores the spotlight. Give her plenty of sun and she'll forgive you for the occasional missed watering. She demands at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. No shade for this celebrity. And don't forget the fresh air. Good circulation keeps her in top form. When it comes to watering, think spa day, not pool party. Let the soil dry out before you water again. A well-draining pot is a must. Rosemary hates wet feet. Terracotta pots are her favorite shoes. They help the soil dry out faster. Harvesting? Just snip off a sprig whenever you need a flavor boost, easy peasy. The more you snip, the bushier she gets. Talk about a win-win. Rosemary is a match made in heaven for roasted meats and veggies. Your taste buds will thank you. Toss chopped rosemary into bread dough or infuse it in oil for a gourmet upgrade. Growing from seed? Good luck! It's way easier to start with a small plant. Honestly, the scent alone is worth it. Instant Mediterranean vacation. Rosemary brings a splash of Mediterranean charm right into your living room. Ready for the grand finale? Let's check out our last amazing herb. And now, rolling out the red carpet for our Mediterranean superstar, oregano. This herb isn't just famous for crashing pizza and pasta parties. Oregano absolutely thrives when it's soaking up the sun and chilling in well-drained soil. Oregano is basically a sun worshiper. Give it at least 6 hours of bright, direct sunlight and it'll be living its best life. When the top inch of soil feels dry, give your oregano a good drink. No tiny sips, please. Oregano likes its soil like it likes its humor, well-draining and a little gritty. There's a whole oregano family reunion. Greek, Italian, and Mexican oregano all bring something to the table. Greek oregano usually steals the spotlight for its bold, classic flavor. No autographs, please. When it's time to harvest, just snip those stems. Your oregano will thank you by growing back even bushier. Regular haircuts make oregano fuller, happier, and ready for its next culinary adventure. Oregano is the ultimate team player. Pair it with tomatoes, garlic, onions, or olive oil, and you've got a flavor dream team. It's a must-have in Italian-American classics and Mediterranean masterpieces. Even a simple vinaigrette gets a glow-up with fresh oregano. Grow oregano indoors and you'll always have a burst of bold, aromatic flavor at your fingertips. No passport required. Once you give it enough light and well-draining soil, oregano is as low maintenance as a houseplant can get. And that's a wrap on our herb gardening adventure. May your windowsills be green and your meals extra tasty. And there you have it, green thumbs and soon-to-be plant parents. 7 superstar herbs you can grow indoors, even if your last houseplant met a tragic end. These leafy legends don't just jazz up your meals. They turn your home into a mini Eden, minus the snakes. Here's the not-so-secret ingredient. Every thriving garden needs a dash of TLC, a sprinkle of patience, and the occasional pep talk. Yes, talking to your basil is totally normal. So, roll up those sleeves, embrace the glorious mess, and let your inner plant whisperer shine. Got a weird garden hack or a tip that makes your mint moonwalk? Drop it with #Rhokins Homestead and let's make the internet greener. If you cracked a smile or learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because this garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, your VIP pass to all things green, growing, and gloriously fun. Let's dig in, grow together, and maybe even outleaf the neighbors. Happy gardening, you legends!